Hi everyone, my name is Yue Yu and my team consists of Huang Dajing, Sai Mun and Lim Cheng Siang. We have decided to do this project because, despite all the anime websites online, we have yet to really find one which tells us the general sentiments of anime watchers towards the anime. Thus, that is what we set to achieve in this project. And so, let's take a look at crawling. In order for the website to display information like how real anime websites do, we will first knit together animes and their reviews from the other anime websites through crawling. We have decided to crawl from My Anime List, where it is one of the most comprehensive anime review websites online, and for example, this anime, you can see that it contains a lot of information about it, thus we decided to crawl from this website. After crawling all the information, we have a total of 17,176 reviews, of which we store them into the MySQL database, and this database is linked to Solar through the data configs XML file, and then a full import is done on Solar's side to bring the data in from MySQL into Solar so that this data can be indexed on and queried for later use. As mentioned earlier, the aim of our project is to find out sentiments of anime viewers towards the anime. This can be done by sentiment analysis. First, we selected a subset of 1,400 reviews from the 17,176. After each of us has finished labeling the 1,400 reviews into positive, negative, or neutral, we compared our labels and included those with the same labels into the evaluation dataset. This gives a total of 1,224 labeled reviews in the end. Next up, we do tokenization of the 1,224 reviews, removed the stop words, removed the punctuations, lemmatized each token, and represented each review as a feature vector where one word is a feature. These feature vectors will be used for the next step of classification. As 1,224 reviews is a relatively small dataset, we split it into 80% training and 20% testing, where the 80% is used for tenfold cross-validation to generate an optimal naive Bayes classifier, which is basically a model with the best parameters. When this model is generated, it is trained using the whole 80% training data and tested using the 20% testing data. Evaluation is then done on the results to see how well the classifier has done. Now, let us look at the website and the functionalities implemented. This is the main page of our website, and at the search bar over here, users can search for just the title of the anime, the title and the genre of the anime, or just the genre of the anime. So for example, if I were to look for the title Shingeki no Kyojin, you can see over here that there is actually suggestion box appearing as I type and results. So let's say I click this and I just click any of this, there will be results displayed at the next page. The Solar querying time is over here. This is the time taken by Solar to retrieve all this data, and this time over here is the time taken from the search button is pressed till when the result is displayed on this page. And over here you can see that there are different options for you to choose on how many results you want to view on this page. So let's say I click on top one, so it will just show number one. Well, let's say if I were to do find all, so it will just display everything for me. Let's go back to the main page. I'm sure you have noticed there are two buttons over here, the fast and the accurate. I'll explain that shortly. So sometimes the user can only remember parts of the anime. So in this case, maybe remembers that the title is Shingeki no and remembers that the genre is drama. If the user were to click on fast, the results written here will be in the order of the documents written by Solar. However, if we were to go back, and in this case we press accurate instead, it will display documents in a different order. So first, it will display the document with title containing most words in the query or an exact match to the query, followed by documents 2 and 3, which contains genre as drama, and lastly, all these other documents with genre not drama. Also, you can handle wrong spellings, like in this example, if I were to type in this query, be it for fast or accurate, you'll be able to prompt if the search is this instead, and you'll be able to return results. Since we only labeled 1,224 reviews, not all the animes will have reviews, and thus, we'll be using Naruto to demonstrate the display of reviews of all polarities. So after you click into this anime, you will see that there are 3 columns, the positive, neutral, and negative comments, as well as those which is unlabeled, so that is displayed here as well. This chart over here gives user immediate visual illustration of the general sentiment towards this anime, and user can also watch the trailer which is embedded over here. And also, lastly, based on the genre of this anime, there are other animes which are suggested, so user can just click onto this, and then same thing, user can just look at this web page. All in all, these are the things we have done for this project. Thank you.